welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. I went ahead and prepped my nails off camera. I'm using some beautiful stiletto tips that I will link down below. I'm really excited because we're doing some money nails today. And I went ahead, did my base coat and cured that for 60 seconds. Now I am using $1 that I printed because, honey, ain't nobody got time for cutting a real dollar. So I just cut that $1 up. So on top of using $1 bill that I printed, I'm using some gold glitter and some gold foil with Makartt Clear. And I'm only using Makartt Clear today because, as everyone knows, it's the clearest of the clearest. And the consistency is great. I love that it's not sticky. As long as you use some slip or some rubbing alcohol, it just comes out so pretty. So I started with one bead of clear for the base of my nail, and I just put my paper dollar inside of my nail and put foil around it. Once I placed everything where I wanted it to be, I cured that for 60 seconds. I am clear capping everything, so you'll see me do 2 big beads, one on the bottom, one on the top, and that's just for filing purposes. Of course, you want to encapsulate everything because you don't want to ruin the work that you did when you start filing. So just clear cap that, and then you cure that for 60 seconds. For my index finger, I wanted to go full glitter, so I did a thinner bead of clear, Makartt Clear, and I put just a bunch of glitter that I'll link down below. I got this glitter from Amazon, and I actually got the foil from Amazon too. It came in like a pack of different color foils, so it was super affordable. So just pat everything out and put the glitter on the whole entirety of the nail, and then once again you just clear cap that. wanted to put some of Washington's eyes on here. So I put a thin layer of clear, and then I put the eyes and just put it like in a straight way. That way it's on the long side of the nail. And just placed it in there as deep as I could, and I put foil around them. I am seriously loving the way that they're coming out so far. I'm going to see if I can find like money decals somewhere. I'm sure they have to have it somewhere. Let me know what you all are thinking of these money nails so far, because I'm really loving them. It was so fun to do, and this was the first time I did them, so I was really excited to print my dollar up and just explore with you all. When I was finished, I actually sent a picture to my mom, and she was like, "Cuidado que no te roben las uñas." y'all enjoyed my application. I know it's super soothing to like just watch a YouTuber do the nail application. I mean, it is for me. I hope it is for you. This is how my nails look when I buffed, shaped, and did all that good stuff, and they came out so cute. I tried my best to keep that stiletto shape, so I think I ended up doing it really good. I love when you put like a top coat and the glitter or whatever you try to do just comes to life. Like I seriously love that. So I just put my top coat on, and then I went in with my ring finger and just put a couple of gems that I got from Amazon. I'll link that below. And then I cured everything for 60 seconds. When you're all done, make sure you put that cuticle oil on, and there you go. You have your $1 million nails right on your fingers, ready to rock. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. I really appreciate it. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe because that really helps us out. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.